Good evening, welcome to my vlog. Hey, I'm going to the mall again. I need to buy what I need to cook tomorrow. Hey, it's look like showering. The water is falling in my head. Anyway, guys, it is Monday. Ano ba ngayon? June 7. It's already dark here. This building, I don't know what is inside because this building is always closed and there is no window. It's so dark because there is no light here this side. Look at Talolo. Very dark because the light is so dark. There is no light this side. Oh no, there is truck. Anyway, guys, I'm here again in the mall. So, Malling time again. Hey, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart. Give a comment, suggestion, and of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. To the color of this.